In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer journey map using PowerPoint. This process is valuable for understanding and optimizing your customer's experience through every interaction with your brand. Let's dive in and walk through each step meticulously to ensure that by the end of this guide, you are fully equipped to design an insightful and professional looking customer journey map. First things first, let's open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, head over to your presentation and open it. With your presentation ready, navigate to the Insert tab, a hub for adding various elements to your slides. Here, you will want to focus on adding a text box. This will serve as the primary title or heading for your map. Type in Customer Journey to set the stage for what this slide is all about. Once you have your text box set up, you will need to head back to the Insert tab. It is a convenient spot not only for text but also for adding shapes, which are crucial to the visual framework of your journey map. Choose shapes that best represent the stages of the customer journey you are mapping out. Consider using rectangles or rounded rectangles for each phase. They are visually distinct and clear. Next, go ahead and add another shape such as an arrow or a line. This will connect your various phases, illustrating the flow and sequence of the customer journey. Draw your chosen shape on the slide, aligning and resizing it as necessary to fit your overall design. After shaping the map's spine, return once more to the Insert tab and click on Text Box again. This time you'll begin outlining the specific phases of the journey. Start by typing in Phase 1. It's important to be precise and clear in your labeling to maintain coherence. Once you have your first phase labeled, duplicate the text box to create space for additional phases. Now infuse a bit of personality into your map by changing the font. Something clear and professional will enhance readability. Likewise, adjusting the color can highlight distinct phases, making your journey map not only functional but also visually appealing. Play with the text size to ensure everything fits well within your slide's layout without overwhelming it. Beneath each phase header, type in a brief description of what that phase entails. Clarity here will aid any stakeholders reviewing this map. When you've typed out and described the phases, you can duplicate both the text boxes and corresponding shapes to complete the journey sequence. Take your time with this step to ensure everything aligns neatly along your connecting line. Proper alignment is vital. It keeps the focus on the flow of your map, accurately representing your intended customer journey. Finally, double check each text box and the descriptions to ensure each phase is detailed correctly. Typing in the phase names and descriptions correctly is crucial to providing a cohesive and comprehensive view of the customer's journey. And there you have it, a complete visually engaging customer journey map in PowerPoint that communicates the essentials of the customer experience.